over 2 years.
I don't think you missed it though, do you?
I do. I liked it a lot. You know, interacting with everybody.
Insane.
Yeah.
It's going up too, dude. The lightning's going up.
Yeah.
It's really cool.
Yeah.
Such a beautiful night out.
It is.
Dude, I can stare at this all day.
I know. Had to go in and get people. You guys got to see this.
It's crazy, dude. I'm glad you got me. I thought it was just raining. I've never seen so much activity.
Well, it was just sprinkling a little bit here, so I think there's clouds that are coming off the shore going out, and clouds that were coming in. The friction's really built up.
The depth is just
Yeah. Yeah, it's amazing.
Man, there's a lot of shit we don't understand.
There's a lot we don't know, bud.
And I think they understand a bit on this shit.
No. The more comfortable we get with not knowing, the more we might learn.
Wow.
Look at it. It's just light all over.
Are you still recording?
Yeah.
Good. That's total YouTube.
Yeah, I just put one up there.
It must be a really thick cloud of many layers.
Yep.
God, it's cooler than like special effects.
I know.
It's like God's throwing a raid. Seriously. Fucking Chemical Brothers or something.
Get another 2 minutes worth of it.
Wow.
That is incredible.
That's the coolest thing I've seen probably in 20 years. If not 25.
Yeah. Bananas.
There's not a sound being made.
No.
I thought there's always thunder with lightning.
No, it's only when it hits the ground, I think.
Only when it hits the ground.